If you thought the iPhone 14 Pro was impressive, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will blow your mind. Yes, you heard that right. The wait is over. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has arrived. Apple's newest flagship phone brings some of the biggest changes we've seen in years. Let's dive into what makes the iPhone 15 Pro Max a major leap forward. The camera system sees monumental upgrades. Both the standard iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus now feature the 48-megapixel main camera introduced on last year's Pro models. This huge jump from 12 megapixel allows for crisper, more detailed photos. But the iPhone 15 Pro Max pushes camera capabilities even further with an impressive Periscope lens. This provides high optical zoom up to 5 times, letting you capture stunning zoomed-in shots. Between this and the 48-megapixel sensor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max achieves professional-level photography. Expanding to all models is the dynamic island, replacing the iconic notch. This interactive pill-shaped cutout elegantly displays notifications, music, calls, and background activities. As our multitasking needs grow, Dynamic Island effortlessly transitions between apps and alerts. Initially, rumors claimed no physical buttons on the Pro models, replaced by solid-state haptics. But development challenges mean the iPhone 15 Pro Max retains buttons, for now. The advanced haptics experience will come in a future generation. Serious performance gains come via the all-new A17 Bionic processor. With an advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing process, it packs more transistors for blazing speed and efficiency. In benchmarks, it posts performance numbers well beyond last year's models. Real-world use is snappier than ever, thanks to the A17's 6 CPU cores and 5-core GPU. In a savvy business move, Apple has a 1-year exclusive deal for the 3-nanometer chips. This gives the iPhone 15 Pro Max a decisive edge over rivals still using 4-nanometer processors. It's a perk of Apple's unmatched chip-making prowess. The Lightning port is gone on all models sold in Europe, replaced by USB-C charging. This complies with a new EU law standardizing on USB-C. While it's unclear if it extends worldwide, the iPhone 15 Pro Max embraces the ubiquitous connector of the future. Subtle but thoughtful design changes refine the look. Slightly rounder edges improve grip ability, while a thinner bezel expands screen real estate. The camera array protrudes prominently to accommodate the new lenses and sensors within. All models also gain a bit more heft for a premium, substantial feel. Perhaps most surprisingly, the mute switch vanishes after over 15 years. In its place is a customizable action button that can be mapped to various shortcuts. While a controversial change, the action button's utility may help fill the small but noticeable void left by the mute switch. Only time will tell if users embrace this change. So what's the verdict on the iPhone 15 Pro Max? It brings an array of enhancements that make this the most advanced iPhone yet. The Periscope camera, Dynamic Island, A17 chip, and overall polish make this feel like a luxury phone. But the higher price tag matches those premium capabilities. For those seeking the absolute best photography, performance, and user experience, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers. It pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a smartphone. But are the changes revolutionary enough to warrant an upgrade from last year's models? Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you liked the video, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.